Hello everyone. We will understand in this session today, in this demo session, we will understand one of the mechanism. We call this is the waves or wave management in the extended warehouse management. And here I will explain you why wave came into the picture, why we require the waves. Okay. Suppose, here I have demonstrated and I will explain you. Suppose friends, we have the multiple customers, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's fine. But when we talk about the complex warehouse business process, and in that business process, suppose we have the multiple customers, okay, and we need to send the outbound delivery, we need to send the products to them, okay. In that situation, suppose we have the, here I gave the example, suppose we have the customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4, customer 5, customer 6 till customer 20 customers we have, okay. We have 5 kind of different materials in the warehouse in the hierarchy storage type, okay. So if we have the 20 different customers and we have the 5 kind of, just an example, or we have the 10 kinds of different, the type could be different, customer could be different, but here I'm picking from the small quantity to give you the example in this demo class. So we have the 20 customers or clients. We need to sell 5 kind of different materials. Suppose material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5, material 6. This 6 kind of different materials we need to send to all the 20 customers, okay. So in the warehouse we create the sales order, okay. So based on the sales order, the warehouse workers, what they do, they pick the quantity. If we have the hierarchy storage type, they pick the material, okay. Suppose we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 20 customers. We have the material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5. Okay. Example I will give you. Why wave concepts came into the picture. And end of this class, I will explain you about the why we have the programs, why we have the reports in SAP Advanced Business Application Programming. In the SAP ABAP, okay, I will explain you what is the benefits. This is another part, but first I will cover the wave. Try to understand the business. So we have the 20 different customer, 5 kind of different materials, okay. These kind of 5 different materials we need to send to 20 customers, okay. Let's pick the customer 1. So suppose customer 1 requires all these 5 materials, material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5. Customer 1 is the customer 1. The name of the customer is customer 1, example. And as we know, when we are going to send the products to the customers, we send through the outbound delivery. Outbound delivery, okay. Outbound means something is going out from our warehouse, okay. So based on the sales order, we create the outbound delivery, okay. So what the warehouse worker they do? So customer 1, suppose we have the n number customer, but example, I am going to start with the customer 1. So customer 1, what they are going to do, they are going to pick this 5 quantity of the material, 5 materials and different quantity, okay. Suppose customer 1, they require material 1, 500 quantity. Customer 1, they require material 2, we have the 5 materials. Customer 1, 5 materials, different quantities, okay. So customer 1, material 1, okay. Material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5. Customer 1, they require material 1 500 quantity. Customer 1 they require material 2 100 quantity. Customer 1 they require material 3 10 quantity. Customer 1 they require material 4 1000 quantity. Customer 1 they require material 5th, which is the 5 quantity. We will count all the quantity 1000 5 10 15 and we will total will come into the picture. How this business happen in the complex warehouse processes and why wave came into the pictures. Okay, like in my classes I always explain why function module came into the picture, why BAPI came into the picture, why BDC came into the picture. Either we have the LSMW standard tool, but why BADI came into the picture? What is the session method? What is the call transactions? Okay, so we will understand this. Then we'll go back, jump to the another topic. So customer 1, material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5. Material 1, he requires, the customer 1, he requires 500 quantity, 100 quantity, 200 quantity, 300 quantity. Okay. So when the warehouse workers, they are going to pick and suppose these materials, material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5, it's not located in the same storage type. Suppose material 1 is located in the hierarchy storage type 01. Material 5th is material, I will start from here. Material 1 is located in hierarchy storage type 01. Material 2 is located at hierarchy storage type 02. Material 3 is located at hierarchy storage type 03. Material 4 is located in the hierarchy storage type 05 or 4. Material 5th is located at hierarchy storage type 01. Just assume that. It's not mandatory if you are going to pick something to send to the customer, the same material in located at the same location. For an example, I'm the customer. I want to buy the, for an example, power bank. Try to understand the business. Mobile phone, pen drive, and one fan, just an example. So different kind of materials we are going order online, okay, but the materials are different, okay, but the customer is same, okay. So in the warehouse they pick the material from the different storage type, section and bins, okay. So suppose this is, I'm talking about the customer 1. He requires 5 different materials, 100 quantity, 500 quantity, different quantity, but these materials are located in the different storage types. High rack storage type, high rack, very tall. It's like a gallery. We call aisles, okay. We count like is aisles stack levels. So first what the warehouse worker he will do or they will do, they will go for the customer 1 to pick material. They will go to the hierarchy storage type 1. They will pick 500 quantity. They place into the goods issue zone, which is we call staging area, which is the temporary storage type, temporary storage section and temporary storage bin. This is the outbound area near to the gate, near to the outbound gate of the warehouse building, inside the building. Then the warehouse worker, what they will do, first they will go, they pick 500 quantity. This is for customer 1 and we have the n number of customer, we have the hundreds of outbound delivery. Then see how it complex and how we make them easier through the wave. Concept is the wave management in the extended warehouse management. So customer 1, they require different five kind of materials. Each material has different quantities. All materials are not located in the one storage type, hierarchy storage type. They located in the different storage types, storage section, storage bin. So the warehouse workers, first what they will do, they pick the 500 quantity material 1, they bring into the GI zone, okay. Again they will go, they will pick the material, okay, they will bring into the GI zone, okay. Again they will go, they will pick the material from the material 3rd, which is the 50 or 100 quantity, they will put it to the GI zone, staging area. Okay, no problem. Again they will go material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5. Power bank, pen drive, fan, or like pencils or markers, okay, and then shoes for an example. Then for third time to send the different kind of 5 material, different quantity to the only customer one, they will go, they pick from the hierarchy storage type, which is the different storage type located in a different area. They will come back and place the good to the, drop the good to the staging area, because we stage goods into the goods issue zone. That's why we call this as an staging area. So if I put something like on like this, I already put stage like pens on the my hands. So this is called staging. For the fifth material 5, again the warehouse worker go, they will pick material, the quantity, for an example 700,000 quantity, they will bring and they will put it into the GI zone, goods issue zone. Then the loading will be started and we send the goods to the customer. There we will use like stop sequence concept in the transport management along with the extended warehouse management. I will tell you how we should manage the product. Okay. Then after, guys, second customer 2, they require same material but the different quantity. So again the warehouse worker, they need to pick the same material for the customer 2, they need to put at the staging area. But the materials are same. Again they need to pick and they need to place to the staging area. For the material third, for the customer 2, again they will go, they perform the picking activity. Okay, assume we have the 20 customer. Material for the customer 3, again they will go, customer 3 also require the same material. For an example, when we are order something online, suppose I order the power bank, mobile charging power bank from the online store, it doesn't mean only I order, then only one of the customer, only I order that product. At the same time, locations wise, they, or the country wise, state wise, or the location wise, hundreds or n number of customers, they give the order to the same products. Okay, so for the material second, again they will come back to the hierarchy storage type, which is the AFS location, permanent storage type. They pick the material from the permanent storage type, they place it to the temporary storage type. Then for the fifth material, again they will go, they will pick. Okay, 3 customers. They need to perform these things multiple times for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so again coming back, putting, it consumes the time, it consumes the efforts, labor cost, a lot of things. So that's why wave came into the picture. Okay, grouping all the outbound delivery, similar kind of material, we call this is the mechanism called wave. So how it works, I will explain you. So suppose, see here this diagram, then I will explain you. Customer 1, we have the outbound delivery. This is the outbound delivery 1, customer 1. Customer 1, we have the outbound delivery. This is one outbound delivery. Customer 2, this is another outbound delivery. Customer 3, because 20 customers, so we have the different 20 deliveries. Okay, so now suppose in the complex warehouse business, we have the 200 different customers. We have the very big, for an example, big business warehouse, complex. We have hundreds of customers, 200 of customers. Okay, they require the material. So each customer, we have the different delivery. Delivery means in this situation, outbound delivery. I'm talking about wave management with the grouping together all the outbound deliveries to send to the customers. And this is the optimization how we use the wave management in the warehouse management, complex warehouse management business. So suppose this is my customer 1 outbound delivery, customer 2 another outbound delivery, customer 3 another outbound delivery, customer 4 another outbound delivery. Materials are common for all the customer in this example: material 1, material 2, material 3. Okay, customer 2 he requires for an example, so customer 1, first I will start with the customer 1. Customer 1 he requires material 1, okay, 500 quantity for an example. Okay, and the customer 1, the same customer require material 2, 100 quantities. Material 3, customer 1 he requires material 3. Like I gave you example, same I am explaining you here. So suppose customer 1, material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5. Same customer he requires material 1 different quantity, 500 quantity. Material 2, same customer he requires material 2 different quantity. Same customer 1 he requires material 3 different quantity. Same customer 1 he requires different quantity of the material. So material is different, quantity is different. Okay, customer 1 he requires different material met 5 for an example, different quantity. So same customer 1 outbound delivery, because this is specific for this customer, this delivery material 1 he requires 500 quantity. Customer 1 he requires material 2 100 quantity. Customer 1 he requires material 3 700 quantity. Like same customer 2, another outbound delivery he requires 300 quantity. Customer 2, another outbound delivery, like say for the customer 2 he requires 500 quantity. Material is same, material 3. So customer 2, customer 3, customer 4, customer 5, customer 10, customer 15, customer 20, 25 for an example, they require same material but the different quantity. These material are located in the different storage types, which is the hierarchy storage type. Okay, so in customer 2 different outbound delivery, they require 300 quantity material 1. Customer 2 they require material 2 500 quantity. Customer 2 material 3 they require 100 quantity. No problem. Customer 3 they require obviously another outbound delivery, they require 300 quantity material 1. Customer 3 they require 500 quantity material 2. Customer 3 he requires or they require material 3 100 quantity. For all the customers material are same but the quantities are different. These materials are located at different storage type sections bins. Okay, now customer 4. So here you will understand why wave came into the picture, the power of the wave managements in the complex outbound process in the extended warehouse management.